Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make fried croaker. I think it's a great Chinese snack if you like to eat fish. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare ingredients for this food. Cut 3 slices of ginger, finely chop and save them for later. Cut a bunch of green onion, then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 700 grams small croakers for this food. Use the scissors to remove the head and gut of the croaker. Then use water to wash them. Then save them for later. Next, we should marinate the croakers. Firstly, add ginger, green onion, 1/4 teaspoon monosodium glutamate, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 5 grams Sichuan peppercorns into the pots. Then rub them evenly. Then add croakers into the pots. Stir them evenly. Then marinate the croakers for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove other ingredients on the surface of the croakers, then save them for later. Next, we should prepare the frying paste. Add 20 grams flour, 10 grams cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg into the pot. Stir them evenly. Egg will add flour to the croakers when we fry them later. Then save them for later. Now we can start to fry the croakers. Firstly, put the croakers into the frying paste. Stir them evenly. Then enough sunflower oil into the pan. Make sure the oil can immerse the croakers later. Use a bigger fire to heat the oil. Put a drop of frying paste into the pan. If it flows quickly, that means the oil is hot enough. Then transfer to medium heat and put the croakers into the pan. Please don't put them in the same place. If you put them in the same place, they're easy to stick together. If the pan doesn't have enough space to hold all of the croakers, we can fry them in batches. After the croaker is fried to golden yellow, drain it out of the oil. After that, keep the same temperature and put the croakers into the pan to deep fry for 10 seconds. After that, we got a delicious fried croaker. You can also sprinkle some spiced salt on the surface of croaker as you like. If you taste it, you'll find that it's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The more chewing will get more fragrant. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.